The year 1652 in science and technology involved some significant events. Publications. Elias Ashmole publishes his anthology of English alchemical literature, Theatrum Chemicum Britannicum. Gerard Bote's Natural History of Ireland is published posthumously in London. Nicholas Culpeper publishes his Herbal, the English Physician, or an astrologo-physical discourse on the vulgar herbs of this nation, being a complete method of physic, whereby a man may preserve his body in health, or cure himself, being sick. Peter Heylin publishes his Cosmography, one of the earliest attempts to describe the entire world in English and the first known description of Australia. Priest, statesman, economist and poet Robert Arnaud Dandilly publishes La manière de cultiver les arbres fruitiers, par la sur l'agenda, Curé d'Enningville, ou les traités des pépinières, des espaliers, des contrespaliers, des arbres en buisson, and Autige in Paris, advocating the training of fruit trees on espaliers. Births. April 21. Michel Rolle, French mathematician, known for Rolle's theorem, died 1719. Late in year, John Radcliffe, English physician, died 1714. Deaths. October 8. John Greaves, English astronomer, born 1602. November 4. Jean-Charles de Leffy, Flemish mathematician, born 1597. November 21. Jan Brodek, Polish mathematician, physician and astronomer, born 1585.